Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a 1939 Chevy.
How do I look in here, Big D?
You look good.
I got a wiper.
Wiper works.
Yeah, wiper.
Wiper.
I mean, they just got the one. That's all you need anyway to drive
correct.
this thing. Right?
Good looking interior.
I'll tell you what, pretty cool. This is a cool trade-in. It's not a normal kind of car, but it's in the cheaper line. It's got a good look. It's got good looking rubber on it. It's got disc brakes. It's got cold air conditioning with torque thrust.
Yep.
You know, it's just the paint's a little half-assed.
Yeah.
I can use that word, can't I?
Yeah, you can.
But I mean, look at it out here.
Yeah,
I mean, it looks like a $35,000 car out here, but if you get around the edges, and we'll point that out, it's just a driver.
Yeah.
That looks good.
Yeah.
So it's got vintage air or what?
Yeah, it's got air conditioning, and I think that works. Small
Power
block under the
steering,
hood.
power brakes. Looks like an
Four-barrel car.
Eldebrock 4-barrel. It's got HEI ignition. It's got headers. Nice sound of dual exhaust.
Power brakes, power steering.
It costs a lot of money just to bring a car up to this, where it's a drivable street rod, you know?
Yep. Here you go. I'll let
Since
you.
I traded for it, I get to do it.
Yes, you do.
Like I said before, it's got all those goodies under the hood. It does have ice cold air. We charged that up. It's got disc brakes on the front with American Racing wheels. It's got good rubber there as well. It looks good at 20 foot. You get up close. You get up close within, what, 3 foot around the edges. It's just basically got some tackiness in the door jam, stuff like that. So
Yeah.
all right. As we go through here, the bumper all looks to be original. It does have some dents, does have some little scratches in that. The front end of the car looks really good. Someone did add turn signals in there as
That's
well.
nice.
You can see that. It's got the factory Wagner headlights in it. Just around here, you can see the body work right here. It's got a good shine to it. No one's ever wet sand and buffed it. It's got just a little bit of orange peel, but still a good shine. You can just tell here in these grates, it's got some imperfections and stuff like that in the paint. As we look across the hood, really not in too bad a shape. You can see just some little dirt in the paint, 2 dirt specks here, and just a little imperfection here. I'm not going to be able to point out everything, guys, but we're going to do our best to honestly describe this one. Again, some little solvent pops, some little dirt or whatever you want to call it, little tiny little divots in the paint there. And I said overspray. They sprayed over the cord here. You know, like I said, it's just, that's the half-ass part about it, I think, more than anything.
Yeah.
Glass looks okay. The rubber here almost looks original. You can just see it's dry rotted around the corners on the rubber. Pitting and stuff like that on the factory wipers. Does have dual chrome mirrors on the sides. Again, just some little dust specks here and there in the paint. I don't think anyone's wet sand buffed it. I think a guy could definitely do that and it'd even have a better shine, don't you?
Yeah.
As we look on the cowl piece, you can see some shrinkage and stuff like that on the cowl. Door handles are heavily pitted by being 70, 80 years old. Right down here at the very base of this, you can see it's just some pitting right here under the paint that they didn't fix when they sprayed it, and just a little tiny crack right there. Other than that, the door looks good. The lower fender looks really good as well. Here's your inside corner of the door. Somebody did a pretty nice job. I mean, it's dated. It's probably restored 20 years ago, but they did a pretty decent job on the interior.
Yeah, the door panel seats look beautiful. I like the color they chose too.
Yeah, it looks really nice. The seats are very comfortable. Carpet's nice, and look at the headliner. Whoever did it, like I said, they should have took a lot more time on the final bodywork and paint, but did a nice job on the headliner. That's all nice. The seats are good and comfortable. Tons of room in the back seat. Carpet's nice. They did do a nice shifter on it as well. Just stuff like this, when they got overspray, you know, the door jambs aren't that great. They got a little orange overspray dust on the vents, and they did a crappy job on the dash itself. Put a really nice steering wheel in it. It does have tilt. Looks like it does have cruise as well. I'm not sure that works. We'll find all that out.
Yeah, I don't think cruise, but I know the air works.
Yeah, AC works. It's got the old factory master Chevy radio still in it. That's pretty amazing. I've never even seen that before. Power windows, they work?
This one works. We got to fix the driver's side one.
Okay.
Riley ordered a switch for it.
Oh, okay, good.
But they were all working.
All right.
And we're going to make sure they...
Yeah, they will
one
work
works.
for the, yeah. Tires, again, back tires in great shape. Wheels are nice. Does have drum on the back, disc on the front. As we go around the back, really nice sounding dual exhaust and really good looking dual exhaust. As far as the back bumper is pretty beat up. I mean, the chrome still shines, but it's got a lot of little dings in that back bumper. And we got some overspray on this rubber here. Again, you know, keeping it from being a really good car. There again, they should have redid the rubbers here. They painted over those little rubbers. Someone did put the third brake light in there. It's kind of cool.
Yep.
Again, some little dirt speck stuff like that there. This is cool too, how they French this in.
Yeah, I mean, they had good ideas. Just...
They did do the battery in the trunk. It's got nice heavy battery cables. Just like always, we put a brand new battery, we put a brand new starter in this as well. Back glass looks like it's tinted. And the trunk locks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Really not a lot of chips. The only chips I see anywhere is on this driver's door right here.
Yep.
You know, which needs to be touched up, but like I said, when you're standing right here, whether it's sunny or shady, it looks good, doesn't it? It's got a good stance too.
It's got that good looking interior and nice wheels and tires.
It's got the Rhino lined running board. Quite an option. Just around here, you can see the body work. You know what I mean? Around this seam, they didn't do a very good job on the body work here. You can just see it's now all smoothed out perfectly.
The door, they could have
Same
done
thing
better
with the
too.
door, right? They could have did a better job on the finished body work, and you'd have a lot better car. But it is what it is. Far as the seats and stuff goes, again, really comfortable. Door panel's nice. There's your VIN number right there. It's got a state assigned VIN. So it does have a good title. You want to roll your window up at least? Looks like factory glass in there, doesn't it? Works good. All right, what else is new? What else should we do?
Yeah, let's fire her up.
Here's the wiper
You
first.
did the wiper.
We did the wiper. Okay. Rear view mirror's nice and tight. Starts easy. It's got a nice shifter in it, 350 turbo,
And
looks like.
the car runs good. As far as the drive, it has a stiff ride on it right now. I think if the next guy, you know, could do something different with the, you know, suspension
Shocks or something.
Yeah, upgrade this to shocks, and I think you'd have a nice ride and drive too.
Looks like the volt gauge works, the oil pressure works. You get about 50 pounds oil pressure at an idle. Gas gauge works. I mean, this is a lot of it, just getting it ready to run and drive. Lights all work, the volt gauge works. It drops right down to 12 with the lights on. Temp gauge works. Getting all this stuff done where you can jump in and enjoy something that's a lot of money to get it to this point.
So that, for the air, you just turn that knob and just compressor.
And then
there's a switch there for the compressor, I think.
Let's see which way the compressor's on or off here. We'll leave it this way for a little bit. And
Looks like it's starting to cool down.
is it? That's just your fan, huh?
Yep.
What do you think so far? It's cool, but I'm just gonna try it this way once.
Yeah. There's a switch on the left side of the column, which I think is
right
maybe
over
for the
here.
compressor.
Now it's getting cold. So it was cool before, but now it's getting cold. Feel that?
Yep.
So the switch has got to be in.
Okay.
Yep. And with the air going, we got the air going right now. And the idle set really nicely. Oh yeah. It's a cool street rod.
Yeah, it is.
Here's right.
It's just something that, you know, if you don't want to, you know, start out spending a whole bunch of money for a street rod, you know, this you can drive and enjoy and still kind of tinker and do some stuff with and make it kind of your own.
And it looks sharp. And it's got all the amenities with the power disc brakes, air conditioning, nice wheels, power steering, speedometer works. So every one of those gauges work.
Yeah, and it seems like, you know, you go to car shows and a lot of what you see at your local car shows are, you know, just kind of cars in this condition. Yeah, just drivers.
not everyone can have a $70,000, $80,000,
No.
$90,000 car, you know?
No,
Some
exactly.
guy with this can just have just as much fun.
Yeah.
Actually, more fun.
Yeah.
Transmission shift's good. I just think I don't think the front's too bad. I think you maybe just need some different shocks on the back. She's
Yeah.
got a little bounce to her.
Yeah.
Speedometer is not accurate. It works, but it's definitely not accurate. It says we're doing about 42. And I think we're
It's
doing
slow.
probably I think we're doing 50, 55.
Yeah.
Kickdown works on the transmission.
Really.
Besides the little
Bounce.
bounce up and down a little bit.
Runs and drives pretty good.
It drives really nice. Kick down to second, up to third. Doing about 65, 70. And it feels good.
Yeah.
You ain't nervous, are you, Big D?
Nope.
Actually.
No. Not at all.
Here's a high-speed brake.
Brakes pretty good.
We'll go through the gears of the tranny for a second, third. AC's blowing ice freaking cold.
Yeah, that is nice.
It's only got the one vent, but it's got underneath here. Your
Just kind of comes out.
The other side comes out on your feet, but that
Yeah.
comes on the passenger side. Keep
Yeah.
the wife cool. That's the main
Absolutely.
thing.
Yeah. Which the cool thing too is like air. It costs $5,000 to put air in something.
Yeah, it does.
You know, if you're gonna put air in something, it's $5,000.
Yep, it is.
You know,
So
so a
by
lot
the
of
time
this-
you do labor and parts, that's
Correct.
exactly what it is.
So you, like here, you got something that has a lot of value as it sits and
Like I said, every single thing works.
Mhm.
This first gear, second, right up to third. Tranny shifts nice and smooth. I like it, man. It's a hell of a cruiser.
Yeah, just a
Get some different shocks or something like that on it, you'd have a hell of a nice car.
yes, absolutely. Cool street rods. See it on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.